Can you see yourself in the 2022 Nissan Frontier? Make comfort and convenience part of every job in this well-equipped Frontier. This midsize pickup is built to work as hard as you do, and it's available at an exceptional value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, blind spot monitor, trailer hitch, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, floor mats, sliding rear window, trip computer, bucket seats. Don't let this affordable Frontier slip away. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.